Your eye is a workaholic. You perceive 90% of visual stimuli through your eyesight. But it is maltreated by dozens of negative stimuli. The latest scientific research has allowed the opening of a new chapter of supplementation. The first two-phase capsule of the clinical formula line with a varied release and absorption process to ensure an optimum degree of absorption. DuoLife Clinical Formula ProOptical, a wealth of standardized ingredients. The formula of raw materials used has undergone 70 clinical tests, tested on 4,200 patients. The ideal 5:1 lutein and zeaxanthin ratio recommended worldwide. Don't overlook what's the most important. Natural and effective.